So you guys are really good at what we call kind of direct, marketing, whereas you've got the trucks and it's wrapped and the business cards and the caps and, the yard signs, and you're doing everything you can for people to find you as you're in neighborhoods.
Yes.
You also have invested in years of SEO, paid ads, you're doing everything that you can to win in this marketplace. Have you tried anything? Because I know you also done maybe some billboards and magazines and maybe a little direct mail. Have you tried anything that didn't seem to work? Lessons learned?
I guess my biggest lesson learned is I just thought I could keep growing and growing and growing. And in reality is, we're always going to have our ups and we're always going to have our downs.